Today we're making Mocha Oreo ice cream cake. Enjoy! In a mixing bowl, we're going to take 1 cup of cold whole milk and pouring that in there. Next, we're going to take 3/4 cups of icing sugar, and I'm using Swerve. It's the low carb kind, but you can use any. Then you take 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm using cacao powder, but they both work. If you want the low carb kind, it's cacao powder. Then we're just gonna mix it all up on low. Once it's all mixed up, we're going to add 473 milligrams of whipping cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that all up on low, and I put a dishcloth over it because it was spilling everywhere. And I added some salt and mixing that up before I put it in my ice cream maker. Turn on the ice cream maker and pour it all in there. It will churn for about 15 to 20 minutes before it's like this consistency, like a soft serve ice cream. I've already pre-made my Oreo crust, and I basically put together 4 tablespoons of butter melted and crushed a whole bag of Oreos. And I'm making my own caramel sauce here. I've added 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And this is on low heat. And another 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar or icing sugar and 3/4 cups of water. And in an instant, the consistency will change and it will turn into this. I put my ice cream cake in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours, and this is the outcome. So I recommend about 4 to 6 hours to be in the freezer, or even overnight, so it's more set. You can add chocolate sauce here and some caramel sauce, but it's optional. The chocolate sauce I made is basically melted butter and some chocolate chips, and then that's the caramel sauce I made earlier. And I'm just cutting it for my hubby. It's our anniversary, so I made him this special cake, and we had this cake at the keg one time and it was really good, so I tried to replicate it. And that's some almonds there and some more chocolate sauce. Enjoy!
Oh, it's crunchy.
I hope you like it. So,
That's legit.
Is it
That's
really?
legit Billy Miner pie. Oh yeah.
Yeah? What could I have done
Where'd
better?
you get the coffee flavor from?
Tim Hortons coffee.
Oh. What, you put coffee in the
Yeah.
ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
Like brewed coffee or like actual coffee?
Instant. My instant one.
Oh,
What do you rate this one?
10.
Is it too sweet?
No,
Is it perfect?
it's perfect.
Cool. Thank you. What?
It could be a little more set up.
What?
Like,
Is it too soft?
it's a little bit runny, but
Yeah,
by
because...
tomorrow it won't be like that.
Yeah. Okay. Love you. Happy anniversary.
Love you. Happy anniversary.